Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more tips and tricks on Canva. This is what this channel is going to be about, as well as other designing and editing software. So if that's your jam, if that's what you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe. Today I'm talking to YouTubers out there, or people who like to create thumbnails for their projects or for their work. Today I'm going to be showing you a very easy way to create a thumbnail. Now obviously there is a certain amount of research, certain amount of skill involved in creating a thumbnail that's going to be clickable for people to want to look more, to intrigue people. And there is a very easy way that you can do this if you don't have a lot of experience with thumbnails. If you go onto Canva, you go to your main screen, and you've got here YouTube thumbnails here, and all you need to do is click on it, because then this will take you to the page where you have the right size for your thumbnail. This will be the perfect size to use for YouTube. And then if you'll see loaded down the side here, it's got templates. Now these templates are here basically to give you ideas. So if you're not entirely sure what look you're after, or you're not entirely sure how you want to promote your video, then you can do it from here very easily. And it's just a case of clicking on one of these. Obviously some of these are pro, so if you have the pro account you need to use those. You need to have the pro account to use these. There are others, there are quite a few on here that aren't anything like that. You've got this one here, secrets you should know. This one, the most attractive thumbnail, that's a pro version one, but this is a free one. So if I click on that, and you can see here it loads up on the side here, and you've got full control over this thumbnail. So you can change the background, you can change these elements here, these half rings here. There's also some more up here. You can change them, you can move those around if you want to, put them anywhere different. You can change this is the word secrets. You can change that to a different font if you want to. If I go up here now, not all of these are going to be fitting the way they should fit, but if I change to a different font, for example, it will change it. Obviously that's not the one you want to go for, so you want to undo that. But you can play around with it and you can make it your own design, so you don't have to stick with this design at all. You can go for something completely different. If you want yourself to be in your thumbnails, as I know there's a lot of people want to do that, it's very engaging with the viewer, then you have this guy here that's in the thumbnail, but you can very easily use him. If you're a faceless channel and you want to have people in your thumbnails, you can use him. If however you're not a faceless channel and you want to have your photo in here, it's very easy. You just simply remove him, put your own photo in here instead. So it's very simple to do. If you want to know how to create these particular things without the background, these face headshots and stuff like that without the background, then check out my channel, because I have a tutorial on there on how you can create these very easily indeed. So don't forget to check that out. But these are completely customizable. You can change anything you want to on these, and that's what makes them so good for beginners who are new to YouTube or new to creating thumbnails for their projects and things like that, because you can use any of these elements you want to. If you don't like that one at the end of the day, if you think actually no, that's not the one for me, then you can go for something different. You can click on this one instead. And again, these elements are all completely interchangeable. Again, you've got this guy here, you can take him out, you can move these things around. If you think that word's a bit too high up, you can move this all down here, you can move that up there. You can do anything you want to personalize this thumbnail yourself. Now obviously you may not want to, you may decide that this is actually, perhaps with the exception of changing you for this guy, it could be that this is the thumbnail that you're looking for. So then you can just change the wording. You simply click on it, change the wording itself, and then you can turn this into should we say scooter, if you're selling scooters, the most attractive scooter, and then you've just changed it. So then you can put that, you can drag that back up there again. It's very changeable, very adaptable, and certainly for beginners an incredibly easy way to set up thumbnails. And that's pretty much it. All you need to do then is you need to go on to share, and then you can download this however way you want. Now obviously if you don't have the pro version, there are certain certain things you have to do if you want to download it. There are certain things here that you can't use. You can't send it as an FLNG if you don't have the pro version, but if you do, then you can use any way you want. But PNG is usually very good, it will accept that on YouTube, and then you're good to go. You can just click and download it as when you want. That's the end of this tutorial. Again, if I said before, if you enjoyed this and you want to hear more about Canva, don't forget to subscribe and click that bell for notifications.